In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and titles in Davinci Resolve 18.5. Whether you're creating a project from scratch or enhancing existing videos, adding text and titles is an essential skill in video editing, and today I'll walk you through this process. We'll ensure that by the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently add text overlay to your footage, giving your videos a more polished and professional look. Let's dive in. First, you need to open Davinci Resolve, which is a powerful video editing software by Blackmagic Design. Once the application is up and running, you will be greeted with the Project Manager. Here, select the project you want to work on. If you don't have an existing project, you can simply create a new one. The project sets the foundation of your video work and allows you to integrate all the elements, including video clips, audio, and of course the titles and text we'll be focusing on today. After you have your project open, navigate to the edit page. This is the workspace where you will construct the timeline of your video. The edit page provides a variety of tools and features designed for video editing, and it's here that we'll add our text overlays. Notice the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the action happens. You can drag and drop video clips, audio, and effects onto this timeline as you build your project. Moving on, look towards the top left of the interface and find the effects library. Click on it to reveal a variety of effect options. The effects library is your go-to source for transitions, titles, and other text effects that can enhance your video. Once you've opened the effects library, navigate to the section labeled Titles. Here, you will find a selection of pre-designed text elements that you can choose from. In this section, you'll see options such as simple text, lower thirds, and various styled titles. Each title type is designed with specific use cases in mind, allowing you to pick the one that best suits your video's needs. You simply drag your chosen title effect onto your timeline where you want it to appear. Once placed, you can customize it by adjusting the text, font, size, color, and any other properties available. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to add text and titles in Davinci Resolve 18.5. Feel free to experiment with different styles and settings to see what best fits your project. Text and titles not only convey information but also add a layer of professionalism to your videos. Keep practicing, explore your creativity, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy editing.